Shake it and cool on. Read on some.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today I am in Owerri, in the east, and I'm with my cousin. Hi.
No.
So guys, if you guys don't know, the maker of all my intro music for the Naija vlogs right here is my cousin Chizi. So you guys should follow him. It's really nice though to be with my cousins. Like these are like these are my people. So I feel really at home here. But yeah, I'm getting my hair braided today. And I'm excited because I'm spending like $9. So it's great. Okay, this is the reason why I turned on the camera, because instead of Mesoma to take us to the hair braiding place, this boy went and stopped us and is having someone shine his shoe. Oh, say hi. Say hello. Say hello now.
Say hello.
No. So that's what we're doing now instead of getting my hair braided. So like he's really shining his shoe.
Yeah.
Now listen, this guy is wasting time.
Oh, seriously.
I can do my shoe now. See me.
Who cares about your shoe?
Wow. So you're being selfish now. I'm turning back to the house. Turning that back again. Five at the back.
No, I'm just like, why is he shining his shoe? Oh my god.
Yeah, G.
I'll see you guys when I'm at Well, stop at Dixon first so you guess now. That's true, because I'm gonna be hungry. I really didn't want to get single braids, but I don't really want to get cornrows either. So,
You know what's up?
she's laughing at my indecisiveness.
Yeah.
But I don't know what I want. So I'm just gonna get single braids. Hey guys, okay, so I just came back from getting my hair braided, and like, when I tell you I was so annoyed being there, like, because now that I think about it, I don't remember the last time I got my hair braided in a shop. Like, I'm actually trying to remember, and I think it was my sophomore year of college. I don't think I ever got my hair braided from a shop ever again after that. So I guess I was just like rudely reminded of why I stopped. It was just annoying. Like, I waited 2 hours to even get started, and then it took another 4 to get it done, and it was just like such a long day, and I was hungry, and it was just bad. But good thing, it's not that tight. Like, it's just like the edges that are kind of tight, but other than that, I can move my head, you know, I can laugh, I can smile. So it's definitely not as tight as it used to be, like when I would get it back in the city, thank God. So I'm thankful for that. But yeah, I was just like really annoyed. Like, you know when you just don't want to be somewhere. I even had my book with me, Americana. I couldn't even read it. I was just so damn mad. Like, so yeah, anyone like me, when you're upset, it's just like, I'm just upset. Let me relish in this upsetness. But I'm good now. I'm happy. I'm home. I just had suya, so I was just hungry. Listen, it's done, and my hair is done for the rest of this trip, so that's good. I feel kind of weird. Like, I feel bald. You know, like, it's just like where, whatever. Anyway, hopefully it'll look cute tomorrow. So I thought it was gonna be even longer than this. They made it seem like they were doing the absolute most, and they weren't. Like, whatever. It reached a pretty good length though. It's regular. This is real regular. Anyway, I'm just gonna go enjoy my family. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Today we are being greeted by the house turkey. This is the turkey we'll be eating on New Year's. He's been living free reign. Oh, wait. Oh my God, that scared me so much. Oh Lord. Yo, this turkey does not care. Like, This is his house, except he doesn't realize. He gonna be in our stomach soon. But anyway, good morning, guys. It is now the next morning, and I'm about to be a real Owerri girl and wash my clothes by hand. Blessing, how do I do this? How do I do the thing? Oh, like, where do I get the water and all of that? Blessing's the house girl.
God forbid.
Blessing's the house. No, I'm joking. She's not the real house girl, but she's damn near the house girl.
House girl in this house.
It's you now. It's you. Sis said, God forbid. But yeah, she's the only girl like me, and yeah, so she's like, she does everything. So, but she's not the house girl. Look at this house. Ain't it beautiful? Meanwhile, we're living in 1-bedroom studios for $1,000 a month. I can put it in here, right?
Yeah.
Thanks. We got our bucket. Now all we need is water and soap. Get the water popping. Blessed, where's the soap? Oh, this? Thanks. Wait. Shouldn't I have a separate bucket? Shouldn't I have another bucket to put it? Do I use this one? Okay, we got it on the bucket. Yo, listen, you need to relax. Okay, so we've got our bucket. Yo, this turkey is right there. Oh God. This turkey. Oh my gosh.
Just relax.
I can't. It's a whole turkey. Is this enough soap?
Enough.
And we start washing.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So that should be interesting. You guys will get to see, you know, the real village of Nigeria. It's like where everything started.
Yes.
Like if you want to know where you come from, you go to your village. That's really where everything happens. So yeah, so I'm excited. We're all gonna go together. This is my first time navigating the village on my own, so that should be
Navigation. I have GPS.
fun. Anyway, do you guys remember Meso? Meso's like my hubby, but like my cousin. And then there's Blessing.
Wow. Him and yeah.
Oh, him and yeah. But yeah, and I'm practicing my Igbo, so
Okay.
you know, so I can be a real Nigerian.
You ask something like in village like Nne Kedu. You know say Ademumma.
Oh, Ademumma.
Yes, they now ask you like Kimbi in America, what be gonna what is she me? Chance Adero.
Right. Wait. Oh, no. Oh no. How do you say that's not how it happened? Oh. Yeah.
You say Owotoshime.
Owotoshime. Baram.
I'm got this time. I'm at Ogunu, not Gunu.
Yeah. So I think later today we'll sit down and teach my followers some Igbo, so that they'll.
Very important.
Yeah, very important. Very important. Yeah. So yeah. So I'll see you guys on our way.
My nose.
What's wrong with your nose? Anyway, I'll see you guys later today. This should be fun. my mom's side of the family's house. Let's go and see her. Mama, no more. Oh my gosh.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you.
Nigeria.
You're looking good. You're looking sweet.
Thank you. Wow.
You guys obviously know my grandma, right?
Yeah.
That's my baby. Okay, so let's go inside the house.
Okay, now let's go get water.
I'm Shorty Ring. My grandma's so happy right now. It's so funny. So this is my grandfather's house on my mom's side. This is my grandma when she came to visit my mom in the Bronx, actually. That's her in the Bronx. And then this is my grandfather, R.I.P. Rest in peace. Yeah. Okay, you guys can see my parents. There they go, my mom and my dad. And this is my grandma when she was younger. Doesn't she look like my mom? So cool. Hi. So, grandma, you left on, when did you leave? The 3rd?
3rd of
December. You left on the 3rd. I came on the 10th.
Yeah.
But we're now seeing each other. At the end of December.
Yeah.
Yeah, grandma. And Meso.
Wow, we're really very happy. Very happy.
You're looking so good. Like,
I swear.
Like her color is just wow. Just really vibrant.
She likes Nigeria.
She ran away from the winter so fast. She was like, I can't do winter.
You know what? Let me tell you this story. I've told your mom and all my children. Wherever I go, when I'm coming back, to branch inside here. I branch inside immediately. I step into this compound. I became extraordinarily very happy.
That's how I feel. There's something about Nigeria.
Yeah.
Home is home. Home is home. So.
East, west, north and south. Home is the best.
Yes. So this is her home ultimately. So this is where she likes to be the most, and I don't blame her. So everyone's just taking pictures and being happy. They're eating over here. They're taking pictures. So we've made our first visit to grandma's place, so now I'm gonna head over to my dad's side. Why is everyone watching me? Like alright, so at my dad's compound, it's like huge because there's a lot of them here. So I tried to visit my aunt, but she's not in right now because today's Oriagu. That's, you go to the market today and buy things that you need. So yeah, but seeing my uncles, I'm gonna go visit my own house, my dad's house that he built here, and then we'll be off back to, or I don't think I introduced them to you guys. This is my mom's sister. This is my dad's brother. So yeah, he's gonna show me the keys to the house so we can now see the house. And yeah, but this is my dad's house. Look. Boom, sticking out like a sore thumb. Oh wow, they fixed up a lot.
Okay, this is the main gate now, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah, it's better. Welcome to my MTV cribs. Finished.
Yeah. The house, so much light.
So what were those windows that I was seeing? Oh, it's these. No. You see those side windows?
Yeah, it's the long ones now.
But they're not actual windows?
I didn't know windows. There are windows now. Go up now.
Oh, it's upstairs?
Yeah.
Oh, that time they were using this was 1 year of
Hi! It's been 1 year since I've been here.
It's been nice.
Yo, there's like 30 rooms in this house. I'm not sure why, but
No, it's not like 30.
I said 30.
30 rooms. 30.
There are many rooms. There are many rooms now.
30 rooms. It's like 18 rooms. Oh, 30 rooms.
Yeah, this is the parlor.
Shout out to the balcony. Yeah.
She's a demo.
Oh, I found the window.
This is just another one.
This is the
Chizi's room.
and it's not taken by dust.
The dust now owns it.
It's nice to see my little house.
That game was fun.
It's still standing.
She said, I like the way you look at me, I'm screaming, baby.
All right, operation visit the village is done. I have finished it. Blessing is annoyed.
Like you know.
Blessing's like, why am I here? Sorry, sometimes we just gotta do certain things. But
certain reasons.
yeah, so
unexplainable.
yeah, exactly. But so long as I came, said hello. Now they won't say I came to Nigeria and didn't come and greet anyone. So I came.
It's worth it.
Yeah. So cool. Woo. Okay. So I am home and I am tired. And I just realized I got bit everywhere from mosquitoes. So oh. I'm tired though. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got a little bit of a view, first-hand or second-hand view of, you know, what life can be like in Nigeria or the village. But yeah, so I realized I haven't really been talking more about like my experience and how I feel about certain things. It's really cool to be able to like just go back to my dad's land. You know, like that's a privilege, and being here on my own has really made me realize how privileged I am to be able to know exactly where I come from. And I understand that like many of you guys don't have that luxury, and I mean it's really fucking sad, you know. But I also realized that I could have been an African American, you know, that doesn't know their origin. You know, there are so many slaves that came from Nigeria. It's just my family just happened to not be one of those that were sold into the slave trade, you know. So in that retrospect, like I'm just really grateful, really grateful. Like I don't even know how to explain it other than I'm just so grateful to have this privilege and luxury, because it's really precious. But yeah, that was fun. That was really cool. So I'm done. I'm pooped. I just need to get a shower. I need to clean my hair of dust apparently. And yeah, probably eat some suya and enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.
Madam, shake it and cool. Read on.
Like to beat.